Masako from Madam Piano Channel。 こんにちは、Masako です。今日もアメリカ・ボストンよりジャズピアノレッスンをお送りします。My students often ask me how to fill in the space. For example, when you have a sustained melody note. So today I will show you how to fill in the space.The other day, one of my students was playing Sophisticated Lady and she was wondering, anyway, it goes... This G flat, the melody G flat for 4 beats, and she was wondering what to do to fill in the space. Of course, there are many ways to fill in the space, but I will show you the simple one today, which is chord inversions. So here, the chord is A diminished seventh.So simply coming down with inversions. So like this. Then go back to the beginning. See, it fits nicely. But I usually do this in more sophisticated way, which is this song happens to be Sophisticated Lady. What I do is play these inversions with drop two voicing. Drop two voicing is simply the note second from the top, octave down. That's it. So each inversions second from the top, octave down. So this one down, like this, like this. So it becomes, then go back to the beginning. See? Isn't it easy? I will show you one more thing today, which is a bit advanced.But you might want to try. I sometimes add tension with this. I mean, I replace one of chord tone with tension. Available tension for diminished chord is, so here is A diminished 7.Available tension for diminished chord is whole step above each chord tone. So I will do one by one. So bottom note is A, so whole step above is B. So I put here. So next note is C. So whole step above from C is D. And the next is E flat. So whole step above from E flat is F.Whole step above from G flat is A flat. So since diminished chord has an even interval between each note, the tension becomes another diminished chord, which is B diminished. If you play both, it's so tense. So those are the available tensions for A diminished chord. So I'm going to replace one of chord tone with this tension. So I will replace this middle one, whole step above, tension. The next one, this one with tension. Next one, I will replace this with this. And then this, I replace this with this. I will replace this with this. And then go to B flat minor 7. Okay, so it sounds like you can practice up and down like this. Until you can visualize the keys, the note quickly. Now I'll play from the beginning. Hope you liked today's lesson. It was a simple inversions, but drop to voicing technique makes such a big difference. So please try it. Enjoy practicing and see you in the next lesson.